Hello, my name is Kyan.
And my name is Lukas. Today we are introducing our project, Musical Sense.
Musical sense is an electronic instrument that takes the sequence of movement of your hands and translates it to a sequence of musical tones.
Musical Sense has two sensors, one for the right hand and one for the left. The right sensor is a photoresistor, which means it uses light to determine the distance of one's hand from itself.
The sensor on the left is an ultrasonic ranging sensor. An ultrasonic ranging sensor uses sound to determine the distance between the sensor and your hand.
Now that we're done with the overview of the project, let's dive deeper into the code.
The first thing we do is define the photoresistor pin. I am using A0. Now I will define 4 variables, R, L, RP, and LP for right, left, the previous right value, and the previous left value, respectively. I will also define a trig and echo pin for the ultrasonic ranging sensor. I am using pins 10 and 13. In the setup function, I use the pin mode command to define them as either input or output pins. In the loop, I define right and left, 2 variables containing values that I can use for making a threshold for the sensors to sense whether or not the value of R and L are 1 or 0. Then there are many if statements to check which musical tone should be played. At the end of the loop, I define LP and RP for the previous values of R and L so that they can be used for the combinations. Our main challenge was making the songs played on Musical Sense sound good. When we started to come up with notes for all the different combinations, all of the songs we tried to play weren't sounding so good. Originally, we had made 12 combinations that led to a single note and 4 combinations that led to no sound being played. We fixed the sound itself with trial and error, but we still had one more problem. The abrupt endings were holding Musical Sense back from greatness, so we made use of the 3 other combinations that we weren't using to make a sequence of notes to end off every song nicely. The image you are currently seeing on the screen is the result of us overcoming the challenge.
Now we have 2 demos. I will play demo number 1.
And I will play demo number 2.